Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your Facebook story, your Facebook and your Messenger story be available to only your friends and not the public. So basically making your story private. What you need to do is open up your Messenger and go to your profile on the top left. Once you've done that, scroll down and where it says privacy, click that. Here you have story audience. Select it and you have three options to choose from: public, friends only, and custom. So right now it's set to public, meaning that anyone who clicks on my profile can see my story. What you need to do is just select it to friends only. But if you want the story to be hidden from someone in your friends list and still be seen by your other friends, you can pretty much add them from here where it says hide from, or you can add it to custom, which is basically the same thing. So that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.